4 chỗ, ghế bự không? Ví nó có 0% luôn kìa. 0% 36 tháng. Giờ đừng có đợi bánh xe chứ.
LSD ready, street legal. It'd be, I believe this would be the $575 for the tag and the title on it.
And you would do that here too?
Yes, they take care. You've got all the paperwork.
Bà la đó.
This is.
You don't have to, right? Like,
You don't
even
have
though it's
to.
street legal, like if we don't plan on taking
Yeah,
it
you
out.
don't have. This is the lithium battery. So the lithium battery, it does not take as long to charge. You could probably, if you charge it, it might only take a couple hours, if that, to charge for lithium battery. The lead acid batteries, I would
That's
say
the one
for,
that's
yes,
out there.
a good 12 hours. Like if you go riding, you can plug it back in, plug in overnight. The lithiums, I do know that they charge quicker on this. I believe this one goes, I'm gonna say this one goes 25 miles per hour. It's lifted also, it's got cup holders. Looks like it's got like a little phone. It does have seat belts on it. And you got your rear flip seat. And
Oh,
the-
ice box.
well, yeah, it does come with a little, you can take that in or out.
Cooler.
A little cooler. Or you can take that out for like for storage. So like this already, of course, already has your seat belts. And it has your grab bars. Also it does have Bluetooth. So it does hook up, does this have the
Mình lên đi xuống khó đó.
This also
Nó cao.
has, no, this one does not have.
Cao.
But it does have Bluetooth, so you can sync up your phone to it. Turn signals, horn. It does have the your LED screen. And this does have the 6-year battery warranty with the 2-year parts warranty on it. Has your headlights.
Ủa mấy cái
and
màn hình coi
everything.
YouTube được không?
Được. Có cái có mấy cái kia nó có. Does someone have like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay?
I would want to say,
So I know some of
I
them
don't
have
think
that.
Apple CarPlay on this. Usually, you know, it's
Cái
just
gì
a
quậy quậy
Bluetooth
trời.
which works on.
Dơ con lên.
Yeah.